Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you're like me, a trip to IKEA feels like a bit of a treat, and I thought it would be fun to take you along with me today. We are just going to have a relaxed stroll through the store and check out what's new, what's cool, and what's in for this fall season. I'll be keeping an eye out for those beautiful cozy textures and of course some of the smart storage solutions that IKEA does so well. So let's go see what we can find together. I love how IKEA has come up with this warm beautiful range from Frixas in rattan. It's such a vibe. Will give any living room a natural and a warm expression. This cabinet is in the same range, giving you a closed storage option to hide away any clutter or objects you don't want to display. I'm seeing lots of now or never pieces, which are products that are being discontinued. So you can check it out too. Of course, you can't talk about IKEA storage without mentioning the Besta system. It is endlessly versatile. You can use it as a TV bench, a sideboard in a dining room, or even as entryway storage. With options for glass or solid doors, you can choose to display your favorite items or conceal everything for a clean, minimalistic look. I love the Stockholm series, and this year they have got this beautiful sideboard with brushed veneer and push opener, a very streamlined look with no handles or knobs. Coming down to their dining section, I love how IKEA comes up with such space-saving product lines like this one. Tonstad extendable table that becomes from 4-seater to 6-seater when you have additional guests, and at $3.99, I think it's a steal. Another piece that caught my eye is this Dantier drop leaf table that seats 2 to 4 and is an excellent option for small spaces, and again at a very reasonable price point of $3.29. IKEA also offers a variety of dining chairs options to choose from. I'm especially loving this new arrival from Licken series in this cantilever design with a slight bounce, very ergonomic and very comfortable. Can pair with a seat cushion if you like. This season, IKEA has added a lot of variety to countertop options. I would suggest you to have a look if you're planning an upcoming renovation or even creating small study nooks or shelving. There are some excellent choices here. Besides, you can check out these kitchen doors and accessories too. Now let's talk about the heart of home where storage is most critical, the kitchen. This is where IKEA truly shines as a haven for clever solutions. I love to check out their smart under-sink base storage solution that hide the bins. These pull-out pantry drawers let you see everything at a glance, making life so much easier when you are juggling kids and groceries. Love these deep storage drawers with so much storage option. I love this maven bowl in this earthy tone. Can go as a decor piece on anything and anywhere. I can't help out checking out some more storage options here in IKEA. They do faucets and sinks too, something you can check out in your next visit with lots of new product line added this season. While we are in the kitchen, I have to show you guys a simple product that makes a huge difference in kitchen organization. A must, I must say. This is a neat set on your counter to hold your daily requirements. A quick outfit check. Love the setup. Coming to beds, the best storage budget-friendly option I would say is this mom bed with underbed storage to store any essentials or extra duvet pillows and bed linens. Priced at $5.59 with storage boxes is a deal for me. Another one is the one from Brims with extra underbed storage. Loving this new warm walnut effect series from Redmanzo. Very clean and very modern, but still keeping it warm, giving it a bit of a mid-century modern vibe, but at such a reasonable price range. And they have thought of everything. Loving these drawers with organizers and these brilliant pull-out trays for wardrobes and closets. These little things make a huge difference in keeping a busy family home organized and peaceful. Check out these 4 shoes organizer just for $9.99. I love coming to the kids section and gather some ideas from here. It's always so fun and colorful. They have underbed storage options for kids too. Check out the cute canopy for this one. I had to tuck the sheet in. Laugh a lot, couldn't help it. I did get hungry in between, so went to the IKEA food hall for a quick bite and then off to Market Hall to pick up my stuff that I came for. Ooh, I found some more chair cushions here in Market Hall to team up with your dining chairs or counter stools. I even use these for my outdoor dining chair in summer. Gives a more comfortable and cozy feel. Oh, you can definitely see IKEA is ready for fall. Even though I'm sad summer is about to be over, I can't help myself feel the warmth and softness of this beautiful throw. They surely have done this time. I love the woolly textures to warm neutrals, so chic. If you love colors, there are lots of choices too. I love this one. I'm planning to use this one as an extra wrap like in the car, especially in this fall season. And it will look quite nice even if teamed up with any outfit. Sometimes you can use your throws as wraps or stills. Fashion with interior combo. Lots of textures on pillows and covers too. I picked up this cool organizer for my bathroom drawers to organize the hair ties, clips, and jewelry. Love these. So good for storage in your wardrobe or even under your bed. Zip them up and there you go. Love storage, which can be stacked. Such a space saver and so easy to reach. IKEA has added some beautiful lighting this season. I love this donut lamp. So cool, like an architectural piece. Perfect example when utility piece becomes art. I always have loved the Stockholm collection. Maybe I mentioned this before in the video too. Especially this lamp, such a beautiful pop of color, and the design is so clean. Makes a statement piece. Stockholm lights are actually hot this season. A must check out if you're planning one. This rug just caught my eye. Oh my god, I thought it was the display of 4 rugs. Lord, no, all integrated in one. What a fun piece. IKEA trip is incomplete without the greens. Love the quality and the price points of IKEA real greens. And finally, no IKEA trip is complete without visiting the as-is section. They are usually discontinued or returned items, and sometimes really good finds, like pre-installed furniture at a marked down price. Lovely. You do need a truck to carry it though. Maybe not fit in your standard SUVs. Found this cutie, such a cool piece. Can go in an office corner or a bedroom, like anywhere, and comes with a hidden storage. For me, such pieces are gold. On top of it, it's marked down. Before I leave, some final good old IKEA food shopping. Love the salmon, it's so smooth, melts in your mouth. And the damn cake, love it. It was so lovely having you all with me on my little shopping trip today. As you can see, it's all about finding the beautiful balance in an object, the blend of texture, color, and smart design. What was your favorite find? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home design ideas, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.